So I do actually work with a lot of small businesses, and they do require a little more attention with employees or individual tax returns. You see the person once a year. You may communicate with them throughout the year on and off. But with a business, it is important that the businesses are set up for success. So they would come to me or to their tax professional so that they can set them up with what is it that I need to start tracking, what is it, revenue and expenses. So my very first, suggestion is always like have a separate business account and consider that your expenses on the business account should only be for your business. So like if you're having lunch with someone, or you're hungry or whatever, like don't use your business account for that. If you are taking a client out to a lunch for future business, that is tax deductible. So I go through different scenarios where people should start considering how to track. I have a tow truck driver, for example, who generally would just say, hey, I drove X amount of miles. Well, how are you tracking those miles? If you are audited by the IRS wants a log to, from, miles, and then the log for the year.
Okay.
So if you're not tracking your mileage and you're a tow truck driver or you're like, delivering your delivery service or whatever it is, ensure that you are actually tracking all of this throughout the year. So someone, with a business would come to me, I would guide them. We would either meet quarterly. If their business needs more attention, we would meet monthly. And then I would set them up for success so that when they go to file their annual tax return, then they're ready to go. And it doesn't take me, weeks at a time to comb through a million expenses because they had no bookkeeping.